In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a bank statement in Xero. Whether you're trying to reconcile your accounts or share detailed transactions with your accountant, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Xero website, open your web browser, and type in the URL xero.com, to get started. Once the home page loads, move your attention to the top right corner, where you'll find the login button. Click on it to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before following these steps. Assuming you've logged in successfully, you should now be at your Xero dashboard. On this page, you'll notice a taskbar menu at the top where you can find various options. Here, we're interested in accounting. Locate it in the menu and click on it to proceed. Once you've clicked on Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. From the list of options, look for and select Bank Accounts. Clicking on Bank Accounts will take you to a page displaying all the bank accounts linked to your Xero account. Now, you're going to focus on a specific bank account from this list. On the right-hand side of your chosen account, look for the Manage Account option. Clicking on Manage Account brings up a new set of actions you can perform with this account. From the list of actions, you will want to locate and click on Import a Statement. This might seem slightly confusing since we're talking about exporting, but stay with me. After selecting Import a Statement, you will notice the option for downloading the Xero CSV template. This particular template is essential for creating your own bank statement file. Click on it to download. With the template downloaded, you can now create your own statement file. This step is crucial as it allows you to customize the data according to your needs. Whether you're using it for reconciliation or sharing it with your accountant, having your data in this format can be incredibly useful. And just like that, you've exported your bank statement from Xero. You've now created a file using Xero's CSV template, which you can easily share with your accountant or use for your own reconciliation purposes. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through exporting a bank statement in Xero. If you have any further questions or need clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Have a great day.